In previous videos, we have looked at correlations, calculating the R value and using a phrase like moderate positive linear correlation to describe it. Sometimes you want to look at multiple R values to be able to look at the correlation between multiple variables, but of course you can only calculate correlation with two variables at a time. So often it's handy to go and set up some kind of chart or matrix to be able to compare correlations between variables A and B, A and C, A and D, B and C, etc. But sometimes if you're looking at a lot of sports stats or gaming stats or where you just have multiple columns of data to correlate against each other, that can be entering in the equal to Correll formula multiple times. But there's a better way. So the rest of this video will go and show you what you can do to be able to take a huge data set and have the R values determined between each pair of variables in your data set.